the screen visible? Am I audible? Hey everyone, so let's start the class. Let's start the class, dear. Okay, and I shall start the class with the easiest question. We have learned this in the last class. Topic everyone knows. The topic is what? Topic is average, right? Topic is average. So here you go. The very first question. The very first question. Yes, Baldev? Yes, Baldev? You're not audible to me, Baldev. So what is the average of first five multiples of 3? Okay, what you have to do? You have to write the average of first five multiples of 3, and this particular question is from RMS. So let's do it, and here we go. Answer me in poll. What is the average of first five multiples of 3? Charan, Sahil, Vardhan, very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very good, dear. Okay, see. The average of first five multiples of 3, right? I know the universal formula for average. Yesterday we learned it. What? Sum of observations upon me total number of observations. Right? Sum of observations by total number of observations. So, what is the observation? First, 5 multiples of 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. These are the first 5 multiples of 3, and total number of observations are how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Upon me 5. Now just add all of them. 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 12 is 30, and 30 plus 15 is 45. 45 by 5. Now you can easily do what? 5 1 is 5 and 5 9 is 45. So 9 will be my correct answer. That is option B. Formula. Only one formula is there, right? Sum of observation by total number of observations. Sum of observation is what? 5. First 5 multiple is being asked to me. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 50 upon me 5. Just add all of them. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 is 45. Upon me 5. 45 divided 5, I got 9. 45 divided by 5, I got 9. Those who have joined the class late, you might feel difficulty in this particular problem for sure. Please take the screenshot. Waiting for 30 seconds. Yes, Vidyaman. Quickly. Yes, Advait. 5433.
Ma'am, yesterday I was absent. I cannot understand the chapter, miss.
I know it. You will face big problem later. Do watch the recordings once. Yes, Vidyaman.
We will put 5 or we will put another number.
We will put 5. Yes, Litika. Yes, Litika.
For this chapter, we have a formulas.
What is written here, Litika Shri? What is this? This is the formula, Litika. This is the formula.
This one, this only, but not this one only. We have more formulas.
Yesterday I taught you the short tricks. Those are the formulas.
That one only, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Omkar. Quickly.
आपने मैम आपने 45 के नीचे 8 लिख रखा है 5 नहीं.
That is 5, beta. It is 5 when it looks like 8 because I have just cut this 5. It is 5 and I just cutted it so it looks like 8. This is 5. Okay. What are you doing, Litika? Okay, one more question just to warm you up. And this question, you know what? This has come in RMS in 2 years, in 2018 also, in 2021 also. 2 years. The average of first 5 prime numbers. First 5 prime numbers. .6. I think we did this question last day. Okay, no issues. If we did this last day, then most of you will answer it correctly, right? If we did this last day, Most of you will answer this correctly, and here you go. Answer me in full. Charan, Harshit, Shubha. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very good. Okay, let's see how we did it. It was very first five prime number is being asked, right? Average of first five prime numbers. So average is what? Average is sum of observation by total number of observation. First five prime numbers are what? 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11, right? 2, 3, 5, 7, and then 11. And upon me, what I will write? Five digits are there, so upon me, 5. Add them. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. And 17 plus 11 is how much? 28. Right? Upon me, 5. Now, when you divide this, you will get 5.6. When you divide 28 by 5, you will get 5.6. You can divide yourself and see. You will get 5.6. And 5.6 will be your answer. That's option A. What happens, Ashri?
Only 5, ma'am.
What? What?
We should take only 5 number, ma'am.
What is the formula, Ashri, of average?
Ma'am?
What is the formula for average, Ashri, that I taught you? What's the formula, beta?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Yesterday you were there in the class, I know.
Yes, ma'am.
Didn't you learn the formula?
I learned, ma'am.
Then tell me the formula. What's the formula for average? Formula for average is sum of observation by total number of observation. And here I have 5 observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I will take 5 in the denominator, because the formula says sum of observations upon me total number of observations. Okay? Why don't you learn the formula? I don't know. Okay, I have one more question for you. And let me see who gives me the correct answer. This is also from Sanic School. What is, use the short trick. What is the average of first 10 even numbers? Use the short trick that we did in the last class. What is the average of first 10 even numbers? And here you go. Answer me in full. Answer me in poll. Nikumto, Arav, and Akshay. Very good, beta. But only 36 of you have answered me because you must have not revised the yesterday's class questions. For sure. Those who have not given the answer, they for sure they have not revised what they have studied in the last class. For sure. Because yesterday I gave you the short trick for this. N even numbers, whenever average of first dash even numbers is being asked, whatever number is written, you have to just add 1 in it. So 10 plus 1, 11. 11 will be your answer. No steps, no multiplication, no division, no addition, nothing. Just the short trick. That if n number is being asked to you, just add 1 in it. So 10 even numbers is being asked. So 10 plus 1, 11. 11 will be your answer. But if only 36 of you have given me the correct answer. Tejas, Lishant, Arohi, Ritvik, Anirudh, Litika, Shivansh, Jeevan, Ayana, Pranav, Omkar, Saksham. If either you have not answered, Riddhiman, Athi, P. Gautam, Kritik Thakur, Diksha, either you have not answered or you have answered wrong. And most of the names that I took today, they were present in the yesterday's class. I know because they have raised their hand several of times. They were active in the chat box. I know it. Those who were not active, those who were absent, forget about it. But those who were present in the yesterday's class, and even then you are not able to do this, then you really need to think where do you stand. Okay, now let's move to some another questions. Good one. For example, suppose the question is the average of four numbers is 30. If the sum of three numbers is 65, find fourth number. I'm not giving poll for this question because I want to explain this question to you all. Okay, that's why no poll for this. Okay, see how we will do it. What does the question say? The question says that the average of first four number is 30. That means I know what's the average. I know what's the average. Average is 30. I know this. Sum of three numbers. Sum of three number is 65. I have to find the fourth number. I have to find the fourth number. If all the four numbers were given to us, if all these four numbers were given to us, how we could have calculated our average? Number one, first number, second number, third number, fourth number upon me four, right? First number, second number, third number, fourth number upon me four. But I don't know what is the first, second, and third number, but I know that sum of first, second, and third number is what? Is 65. I know this. And then the fourth number I don't know. And upon me 4 because total number of observation is what? Total number of observation is 4. Right? Total number of observation is 4. Now, how to calculate it? Always do remember. Always do remember that average का formula I know na. First I'm giving you the basic one. Okay, the basic process. Sum of observations by total number of observation. So average की जगह you can write 30. Average की जगह you can write 30 because I know the value for average. That is 30. Sum of observation is what? 65 plus fourth number. 65 plus fourth number because 65 is the value for first, second and third number. And total number of observation is what? 4. Now this shall be multiplied when moved to the other side. So 30 into 4 is how much? 30 into 4 will be 120. And this 65, when it comes to the another side of equals to, it becomes minus. So 120 minus 65 will be what? 120 minus 65 will be 55. So my fourth number will be 55. My fourth number will be 55. Okay. Now, if I have to calculate it quickly, how we will do? Whatever is the average, I will multiply that average with the value given. Sorry, with the whatever is the average, I shall multiply that average with the total number of observation given. So how many observations are there? 4. How many observations are there? 4. And after multiplying whatever answer I get, I shall subtract the value given. So value given is 65. 120 minus 65, 55. And why we do this? Because this is the concept. This particular thing is the concept. Always do remember, like question is what? I'm explaining it myself once more. You will please pay attention. Question says average of 4 numbers is 30. Average of 4 numbers is 30. If sum of 3 numbers is 65, find the fourth number. So average of 4 numbers, I know it is 30. If average is 30, total value will be what? Total value will be 30 into 4. Average is 30 now. Total value will be what? 30 into 4 because number of observation is 4. 120. Total value should have been 120, but the value is given only 65. That means the value for fourth number is what? 120 minus 65, that is 55. That is 55. Always do remember, whenever you multiply the average by number of observation, you get the total value. Whenever you multiply the average by number of observation, you get the total value. Please note this down, dear. Yes, Nikumto.
Can you explain it again?
I explained it 3 times, Nikumto. Even after you raised your hand, I explained it 3 times.
Ma'am, not the short trick, the other one.
Yes, Riddhiman.
Ma'am, can you explain the the task one that is not short trick, but it is a long trick.
If you want me to do this, it is also the same thing, beta. Yes, Litika?
Mom, I didn't understand how you get total number of observation 4.
13 to, it's given in the question. I have circled it. It's written in the question. Average of four numbers.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
total number of observation will be 4. Got it, Litika? Okay. See everyone, for the last time, average is given 30. Formula for average is what? Sum of observation by total number of observation. If I multiply total number of observation with average, I shall get total value. That is sum of observation. So 30 into 4 will be 120. And the 65 when moved to the other side will be subtracted from 120. So 120 minus 65 is 55. That is your fourth number. That's your fourth number. Okay, I have one more question for you. The same way. And do take the screenshots of each and every question and practice it. Each and every question is from Bharati publication book. Cannot be determined means that you cannot find the answer. I really want to see how many of you cannot find the answer. So I have given that option as well. And here you go. So that I will read the names, those who do option C. Hanshuman, Shivansh, and Ritvik. First three to answer me. Very good. But in 1 second. Acha, 14 of you have given cannot be determined. Vardhan, Akshay, Sansati, Sahashri, Sherling, Jeevan, Diksha, Niriksha, Nitesh, Adya, Shubha, Litika Shri. Wow. You didn't even try, and in 1 second you are giving me the answer. Cannot. And Dinesh, how did you do it wrong, Beta? You always give me the right answer. How you did it wrong? What happened with the man?
Ma'am, how can we solve this? I can't understand.
You can solve this by being patient. Okay, see, are the options wrong? I mistook 16 as that's why I thought, Dinesh, you are the smartest one in the class. Smartest. Okay, see, the average of first four number is 10.5. That means average is given to me. And if three of these numbers are 4, 9, 13, what will be the fourth number? That means what, beta? That means if I add 4 plus 9 plus 13 and one more number and one more number, then total value and divided by what? 4. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 values. My average shall be 10.5. My average shall be 10.5. Now I have to calculate what shall be the value of this question mark. You can take this question mark as x also. You can take this question mark as fourth number also. Okay. So 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 13 is 26. 26 upon May 4 plus. This question mark is what? Fourth number. This question mark is what? Fourth number, because three numbers given to us, fourth number, I don't know, is equal to 10.5. Now you will multiply this 4 into 10.5, right? So what will it be? 26 plus fourth number will be 10.5 into 4. That is 42. Is it 42? Tell me yes or no. Yes? Very good. And if 10.5 into 4, and that you will multiply yourself. Okay, don't tell me that, ma'am, can you please show me how to multiply 10.5 into 4? You have to do it yourself. Now, if it's 42, you will subtract this 26 here. So fourth number will be what? Fourth number will be 42, and this 26 when moved to the next side becomes minus. So 42 minus 26, it will become 16. Answer. 16 will be your answer. Right? Same topic, same question, and you can easily do it. Average of four number is given to us 10.5. This time all the three numbers are given to us 4, 9 and 13. I have to find what? I have to find the fourth number. So 4 plus 9 plus 13 plus the fourth number, that is the question mark, upon me 4 is what? Is 10.5 given in the question. Now 4 plus 9 plus 13 is 26. Plus fourth number upon me 4 is equal to 10.5. Now solve this equation. 10.5 into 4 is 42. 26 plus fourth number is 42. Fourth number will be 42 minus 26, that is 16. Okay? Please note this down, everyone. Take the screenshot. What happened, Mahizini?
Like
What
because
happened,
4
Mahizini?
and 24 is there.
What?
Ma'am, 4 plus 9 plus 13 plus you have put it, no, ma'am.
4 plus 9 plus 13 plus question mark, and that question mark is fourth number. Okay, Mahizini?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta, please take the screenshot. Then I have another question for you. Please take the screenshot. The marks obtained by a student in 5 exams are 90, 92, 93, 95, and 90. Find his average marks. Find his average marks. This particular question, you have to find the average marks. Marks obtained by the student in 5 exams given to you, that is 90, 92, 93, and 95. You have to find the average marks. And here you go. Answer in poll. Dinesh, Shubha, Harshit, very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very good, dear. And so many of you have answered wrong. What happened, Litika? Beta, you have raised your hand, so you should quickly turn on your mic and ask. Yes, Charan Tej. Charan Tej. Hey, Bhagwan. Yes, Shivansh Reddy.
Ma'am, I pressed mistakenly option A, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, see how to do this one. Very easy, dear. You have to find the average, right? You have to find the average. For average, what was the formula? For average, the formula was just to add all the given observation numbers and upon me number of observation. So my observations are what? 90 plus 92 plus 93 plus 95 and 90. And upon me what? Upon me I have 5. Because total there are how many subjects? Total there are 5 subjects. And now you can simply add 90 plus 92 plus 93 plus 95 plus 90. What you will get? You will get 460. Right? Easy way में how you can add. 90 you have 5 times. So 450. And then 2, 3 and 5. Right? 2, 3 and 5. So 10. 450 plus 10, 460. Easy calculation. If I count like 90 plus 92 plus 93, it will take time. But shortly I can calculate what? 5 times 90 is there, right? So 9 into 5, 45. 450 plus 2, 3, 5, 10. 450 plus 10, 460. And then upon me, what's there? 5 is there. 460 divided 5, you will get as 92. Option B answer. Option B will be your answer. 460 divided 5. Quickly take the screenshot, beta. Quickly take the screenshot. Yes, Athi? Yes, Athi? Athi, you're not audible to me. You can turn on your mic and ask me. Okay. One questions, same type but with a different twist. The average marks of seven subjects, seven subjects is 226. If marks of six subjects are 340, 180, 260, 56, 275, and 307, find marks of seventh subject. Find marks of seventh subject. And these questions that you are doing learning today now, each and every question is from the previous year. So average marks of seven subjects is given to me 226. If marks of six subjects is 340, 180, 260, 56, 275, and 307, you have to find the marks of seventh subjects. What shall be the marks for seventh subject? And here you go, answer me poll. Rutvik, it's a glitching beta. Please exit and rejoin beta. Rutvik, you can exit and rejoin beta. Okay, Shivansh, Rutvik, Dhanvit, very good beta. First three to answer me. Very good, dear. So many of you have done wrong. So many of you. What happened, Sashri?
For 10 minutes, I didn't join, ma'am. The power was not there in the home. So,
So we have done many questions, beta. Please watch the recordings once. Yes, Chinmay? Yes, Chinmay? Gone. Okay, let's see to this question, beta. What we have to do, how we have to solve it. So the average of 7 subjects is given to us, that is 2 to 6, right? Average is given to us 2 to 6. So total marks, how much? Total marks, or you can say sum total of observation. Sum will be what? Sum will be 2 to 6 into 7, right? And 2 to 6 into 7 is how much? It's 42, 2, 4, 14. 1582. 2 to 6 into 7 is how much? 1582. And I have been given 6 subjects marks. 6 subjects marks. 340 plus 180 plus 260 plus 56 plus 275 plus 307. Right? I don't know what's the seventh one. I don't know what is the seventh one. And when I add 340 plus 180 plus 260 plus 56 plus 275 plus 307, I get how much? I get 1418. 1418 total sum of these. Now, whatever is your total sum of observation, you should subtract this result from it. So how much you will get? 164 answer. 164 answer. That's your marks of 7th subject. That's marks of your 7th subject. I shall explain this once more better. See, average marks of 7 subject is given to us, right? I will stand this side so that you can easily copy. Average marks of 7 subjects is given to us, right? If marks of 6 subjects are 340, 180, 260, 56, 275 and 307, you have to find how much marks did the person, the student scored in the 7th subject. Now, total marks that he must have got is how much? 226 into 7. Because the average is 226 and total number of observation is 7. So the sum of total observation, that is total marks, will be what? Will be 226 into 7. That is 1582. 1582. And now you shall add all the marks given. So 340 plus 180 plus 260 plus 56 plus 275 plus 307. It's how much? It's 1418. So you will subtract total marks and marks of 6 subjects. You will get what? You will get marks of 7th subject. Lishant, I'm not going to take your hand raises. Rishit, I'm not going to take your hand raises because you both were very active in the chat box. I love it. Ask them to subscribe your YouTube channel, right? Because you don't want to study. You were always involved in chat box. So please don't raise your hand for the doubts. Yes, Litika.
Ma'am, can you explain it again? I didn't understand.
Okay. Yes, Sashri.
मैम मुझे 1419 मिला मैम
1419 6 plus 5 11 11 plus 7 18. तो लास्ट में 9 आएगा ही नहीं साशवी, 8 ही आएगा दोबारा ऐड कर दो. Okay, once more I shall explain this. Everyone, please pay attention, beta. Please pay attention. The average marks of 7 subject is 2 to 6. If average is given and I want total of it, So total I can calculate by multiplying the average into the sum of observation. So 226 into 7, 1582. This is my total marks. Marks of 7 subjects. Out of 7 subjects, 6 subjects is given to me. 340, 180, 260, 56, 275 and 307. I shall add them. I shall add them. I will get 1418. I shall get 1418. And now, if total marks is 1582 and marks of 6 subject is 1418, what is the marks of 7 subjects? I shall subtract both of them. 1582 minus 1418. I get 164. That is option D. Take the screenshot. I have to move to the next question. Take the screenshot, beta. Okay, I have one more question for you. The average age of 25 students is 13 years. What is the what is the अरे यार, what is the total ages of 25 students? Three 25, 315, 335, 345. And here you go. Answer me. If the average age of 25 students is 13, what shall be the total age of 25 students? Dinesh, Charan Tej and Lavanesh, very good beta. First three to answer me. Let's see how we shall do this question. It's very easy, dear. Very easy. Average of average of 25 students is 13 years, right? Average is given to me 13 years. I have to find the total age. So total age will be what? Total age will be average into total number of students, right? Total number of students. So I shall multiply 25 into 13. I will get 325. I will get 325. Option A is the correct one. Average of 25 student is 13 years. What is the total age of 25 students? So 25 into 13 will be my total age. Okay? Yes, Harshit? Harshit? You're not audible to me, Harshit. Yes, Athi. Turn on your mic, beta. Your mic is off. Turn on your mic, beta.
Today 2 hour or 1 hour class?
1 hour, dear. Maths 1 hour. Maths is 1 hour. If you have class, another class, I'm not really sure about it, but maths only 1 hour. Okay, might be possible that there is class, another class also. I'm not sure about it. Do check your timetable. Do check your timetable. But maths only 1 hour. Okay, beta. Please take the screenshot. And if everyone got it, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Yes, Ruthvik. Yes, Ruthvik. You're not audible, beta. Yes, Swastik. Swastik. Swastik, you are not audible, dear. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining me. That's it for today. Bye, everyone.